Hey guys, so the Honor X7b is a budget smartphone with impressive features that's quietly launched globally by Honor. In this video, we'll be exploring its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Honor X7b has a really nice design. It has this flat frame design. On the back of the phone are two round shaped camera bumps that contains the phone's rear cameras and the flash. And the phone has a hole punch display. On the right side of the phone is the fingerprint scanner. That's right, the phone has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. And on the other side is the same SD card slot. And as regarding the display, the phone has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD 90Hz refresh rate display. I mentioned earlier that on the back of the phone are two round shaped camera bumps that contains the phone's rear cameras and the flash. Now speaking of cameras, the phone features a 108MP primary sensor, a 5MP ultra wide angle lens and a 2MP macro lens. Now the hole punch houses an 8MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 680 processor, which isn't bad. It's a budget phone paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The device also has a much more better memory configuration, which is 8GB RAM and 256GB storage configuration. The battery capacity of the phone is 6000 mAh and it supports 35 watts fast charging, which is very impressive. The device ships with the Android 13 right out of the box, and on top of the Android 13 is the Magic OS 7.2 custom skin. The phone is offered in three beautiful colors, namely flowing silver, emerald green and midnight black. And regarding the price, it depends on region, but the starting price of the device is $249. I'm expecting the bigger memory variants to be a little bit expensive than the 6GB RAM and 120GB storage variant. So these are the top features of the Honor X7b. It's a very nice phone, and I think it makes sense for me to compare this device with the Blackview A200 Pro because some of the specs of this phone are quite similar to that of the Blackview A200 Pro. I would definitely make a specs comparison video, compare both beautiful budget smartphones. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this new smartphone from Honor? Feel free to share in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.